ওয়েলকাম এভরিওয়ান টু আইডিয়া খিচুড়ি। আমি ফারদিম। আমি আছি আজকে আমার ইউজুয়াল দুইজন কো-হোস্টের সাথে, আদিব এবং ইসমাম। আজকে আমরা কথা বলতেছি আমাদের আর্ট চ্যালেঞ্জ নিয়ে, যেখানে আমি ছিলাম হচ্ছে একটা আর্টার ফেলিয়ার। কারণ আমি মানে 30 দিনের বেশি দিন আর্ট করিও নাই, মনে হয় 10 দিন করছি না কত দিন করছি। এটা নিয়ে ইসমাম আমাকে গালি দিতেছে এবং আমি জানি আগামী 2 বছর ধরে আমাকে গালি দিতেই থাকবে, এর চেয়ে বেশি দিনও যেতে পারে। তো আমি এখনই প্রথমে এপিসোডের শুরুতে আমি সবার কাছে মাফ চাচ্ছি। আই উইল ডু বেটার নেক্সট টাইম। পরে এছাড়া আমার আসলে এমন কোনো ইলুমিনেটিং থটস নেই, বিকজ আমি খুবই গা ছাড়া ভাবে চ্যালেঞ্জটা করছি। আগেন আমি খুবই সরি। হ্যাঁ, লেটস ডু দিস। আদিব, তুই তুই বল, এন্ড দেন উইল গো টু ইসমাম এট দি এন্ড, কারণ ও
Best
অ্যাকচুয়ালি
for luck.
সিরিয়াসলি করছে এন্ড হি হ্যাজ লট টু
Yes,
সে।
yes, 100%. I'm here Fardim in the same boat for this challenge. আমি just randomly জিনিসপাতি দেখতাম and ওইগুলো আঁকা শুরু করছি। একদিন আমার মনে হয়েছে যে নারুটো নিয়ে একটা কিছু আঁকা উচিত, তো আমি নারুটোর লোগোটা এঁকে দিচ্ছি। Village of the Hidden Leaves, for those of you who watch that stuff. Um, but yeah, the challenge itself was, আমার জন্য it was trying to find, আমি আগে অনেক আঁকতে পছন্দ করতাম, and এবার I was trying to replicate that, আবার আঁকার চেষ্টা করছিলাম, দেখতে চাচ্ছিলাম যে কি কি আঁকতে পারি এখনো। অনেক out of practice, and আঁকাটা এবার বেশি একটা ভালো হয়নি, to be honest. তাছাড়া nothing to say for this one. আমি মনে হয় মাত্র 12টা ড্রয়িং করছি. You can find all of those on Instagram, just like Fardim Egula and just like Ishmam Egula. But yes, Ishmam, go ahead.
Yeah, so I guess আমি আমি তোদেরকে লাইক শুরুতেই বলছিলাম লাইক আমি লেজিটিমেটলি আঁকতে পারি না, and I was when I took on the challenge I was like আচ্ছা আমি আঁকতে পারি না. I thought Adib and Fardim would be like way better at me like drawing stuff, so I guess I had some like underdog mentality going into the challenge, which might have helped, I don't know. কিন্তু আমার জন্য যেটা হয়েছিল যে the first day I did it I was very I didn't know what to draw. I think we were in the same boat. But I sort of went in and I looked at a blank screen. I was drawing all my ones digitally, which might have made it easier for me than Adib and Fardim, who had to draw on paper. I wanted to draw one day at a paper, but paper হইতেছিল না, like paper আমি just ভুলে গেছি পরে করতে. Um, but yeah, যেটা বলতেছিলাম, so when I was looking at the blank screen, I had no idea যে আমি কি আঁকবো, and I remembered something, and I guess I can talk about it. But that idea was essentially what helped me go through the whole challenge. Actually, like a revelation done ashle, I think I would have basically not drawn a single picture. It would have been the same as the sleep challenge. যেখানে I failed miserably, but Adib and Fardim were like really good at it. Udao I think actually helped because um, I realized I didn't want to be the guy who failed 2 challenges in a row, and who like I wanted money because I'm doing this through Idea Khichuri. It meant something to me, and it was like I have to do this, Aki. So all of those things helped. But Jai Hook, the thing that helped me go through the challenge, I think we've dropped Fardim, but hopefully
Yep.
he'll be back soon.
He's
And
back.
he's having internet problems, so sorry about that. Uh, and so yeah, আমার যে রেভেলেশনটা হয়েছে, which I think applies to just any sort of um, skill, like when you're trying to learn a new skill, this will definitely help. And that's the idea of not being scared about fucking up. And I know এটা অনেক মানুষ বলে, but and আমিও অনেক শুনছি, and I never really understood it. এটা আমি ফার্স্ট শিখছিলাম অ্যাকচুয়ালি ফুটবলের থ্রুতে. I was playing একটা টিমের জন্য, and we weren't doing that well. I wasn't doing that well, and I used to reminisce of the time যখন আমি ফুটবল খেলতে পারতাম, and I would think back, মানে আমি তখন আদিবের সাথে খেলতাম, I was decent at it, I wasn't the best, and I would remember those times and I'd be like এইরকম খেলতে পারলে অনেক ভালো লাগতো. But I tried to do that and it would never come off. And I was like, oh, I used to be able to shoot from the midfield to score, like choto mate, obviously, not 11v11. And I used to be able to defend everyone. I used to be able to pass so nicely, but এখন কিছুই পারি না. And what happened was, one day I was like really tired, so I didn't really think about it as much, like what other people were gonna think, and it I think was a big issue. I was worried about অন্যরা কি বলবে, you know, at me fucking up football. And একদিন like I was really sleepy, but I'm খেলতে গেছি, and um we kind of like I had this revelation where I realized I started playing well. Like I was tired, so it would make sense I would play worse, but I played like unbelievably well. Like it was better than this ideal I had in my head of যখন আমি আদিব মাসুদ খানের সাথে ফুটবল খেলতাম. um and I was shocked I could play better tired than I could play normally. And so এইভাবে আরো কয়েকদিন রাতের দিকে ফুটবল খেলছি, and that made me realize it was this idea um, আমি যখন এটা কিন্তু একদিনে আসে না, এটা কিন্তু করতে করতে আসছে, যে আমি যখন একটা জিনিস করতেছি, I have this idea in my head of what it should be, but because I'm very new at this skill, or like I haven't done it in a while, I won't be able to do it exactly as it is in my head. In my head, it might be this beautiful symphony, but আমি যখন বাজাইতেছি তখন প্যাপু প্যাপু হইতে পারে, it's like bassett horn or something like that. So what I realized I had to do at that point was to forget about everything else, and just go on from there, like owning your fuck up. Like আমি একটা ইলাস্টিকও করতে চাইতেছি, বাট হয় নাই, and বলটা রাইটে চলে গেছে. I'll just do something right থেকে. I won't think to myself and blame myself যে ও বলটা কেন রাইটে চলে গেছে. And I know this is looking very far-fetched, but I'll connect it back to art. And এইটা যখন আমি আর্টে করতে গেছি, আই নিউ যে আমি আঁকতে পারবো না. আমি এটা আগের থেকে, আমি একবারে ফার্স্ট ডে থেকেই আমি এটা ইভেন আমাদের এপিসোড যে শেষের দিকে when we talk about it, I told this যে আমি আঁকতে পারি না. And I knew that by heart যে আমি যদি ফটো রিয়েলিস্টিক কোনো ড্রয়িং করি হবে না. So I just started drawing lines. That was the first day. I literally just opened up my like tablet, and I was drawing lines. And at the point these lines sort of started taking a shape, and I was like, oh, these look like hills. And I was like, acha, let's just draw a hill. And I was like, ছোটবেলায় একটা পিছনে একটা hill থাকতো, একটা landscape আঁকতাম, একটা গাছ থাকতো, let's do that. And then in my head it looked really really nice, and really smooth. But আমি যখন আঁকতেছিলাম, I realized it looked like exactly like একটা 5 বছরের বাচ্চা আঁকতেছে. And I was like, fine, like that's like an art style, right? একটা 5 বছরের বাচ্চার art style is very different from like a actual artist art style and blah blah blah. So I was like, I leaned into that, right? Like I was like, এটাই আঁকবো এখন. And I just went into that. And then once I had sort of a skeleton of the landscape in front of me, I was like, acha, this looks really bad. Let's just paint it a bit. And so আমি একটু রং টং দিছি. And at the end, I'm actually pretty proud of what came out. You can see how it is. আমাদের Instagram channel it's I think the first post আমাদের art challenger. And yeah, like that's how I started. And the next day I just kept coming. And I think first din Adib na first din na second din Adib na Fardin দুইজনই ছবি দিছিল, and their drawing was much more precise than mine, right? Like odergula was like the lines were right, like it seemed like they knew what they were doing, whereas আমারটা কিন্তু একটু ছিল না. আমার যেগুলো ফেসের ছবিগুলো আছে, it's drawn over a picture, so it's like আমি একটা কলম দিয়ে I drew over it, so I forgot what it's called, but you can do it real life. If you have a picture and you take the trace paper over it and then you draw on the trace paper, it works the same way. And আমি এটা actually ছোটবেলায় একবার করছিলাম because আমার ফ্রেন্ডসরা অনেক সুন্দর সুন্দর জিনিস আঁকতো and আমি আঁকতে পারতাম না. So I did that, and I had a really nice Frankenstein photo that মানুষরা এসে আমাকে compliment করতো. And then our friend একটা এসে বলে, তুই আঁকতে পারোস? And then I'm like, nah, not really. I just drew lines. But yeah, using that mentality of owning my own fuck ups and just going with the flow, I actually improved, I think. So if you see the Instagram feed, you'll see that the artwork is getting better. I think the biggest improvement that you can see is in the impressions. So even with jeta trace paper aka, just drawing outlines that are actually even like right in front of you. um Amar first ছবিটা was আমার ছবি, and I didn't have a beard, and আমার কোনো লাইন্স আঁকতে পারতেছিলাম না ফেসের মধ্যে, that wasn't clearly there, and so the face looked very bland, so I gave myself a beard, যেটা এখন actually আছে, um, but তখন ছিল না, and it looked really bad. আমার কিছু বলার নাই, like I hated it. But তারপরের দিন I think আমি আদিবের ছবি আঁকছি, and ওইটা একে I was like, it was like a distinct improvement, আমারটা and ওরটার মধ্যে, because I drew, like I realized it's not just about you know outlines, right? It's about the shade and everything. এগুলো কিন্তু আমি কিছু জানি না, so if anyone actually knows art, I'm just speaking out of my ass here, so don't come at me. But আমি just, I noticed that there's light and shade and blah blah blah, and so আমি ওগুলো আঁকা শুরু করছি, and I think আদিবের পিকচারটা, like was one of my favorites, even though এই দুইটা শালাকে আমি ইভেন কয়েকদিন আগে ডোপামিন ডিটক্স চ্যালেঞ্জে চান্সও দিছি থ্যাংক ইউ বলার জন্য, ওদের মুখগুলো আঁকছি, একটা বারও বললো না যে থ্যাংক ইউ দোস্ত আমাদের ছবি এঁকে দিছোস, এত সুন্দর করে আঁকলাম, লাইক আই ওয়াজ সো প্রাউড অফ দেম, লাইক তোদের কি ভালো লাগে নাই?
ঠিক আছে ইসমাম, আমরা তোকে লাইভই থ্যাংক ইউ বলতেছি, আমি আসলে আমরা আসলে মানে অলওয়েজ জোকিং মোডে থাকে, তো আমি তো আসলে বুঝি নাই যে কোনটা কি, কোনটা সিরিয়াস, এই সেই হ্যান ত্যান, আবার আইডেন্টিটি থেফট হচ্ছিল, সো একটু কনফিউজড হয়ে গেছিলাম, বাট আমি অ্যাপোলোজাইজ করতেছি, আমি তোমার প্রতি কৃতজ্ঞ এবং মানে গভীর ভালোবাসা যে তুমি সময় নিয়ে আমার ছবিটা আঁকছো, মানে ওয়াও।
না আসলে আমি এখানে ফার্স্ট থট, আমি জানি না যে আমার জাস্ট খুব ভালো লাগছে, তুই শাউট আউট দিছিস এরকম করে লাভলি কোহোস্ট বলে, কি সুন্দর লাগছে, মানে ইনক্রেডিবল ছিল, হার্ট ওয়ার্মিং একটা জিনিস, থ্যাংক ইউ ফর দ্যাট, নো ওয়ারিজ। বাট একটা জিনিস যেটা হচ্ছে, তুই চ্যালেঞ্জে ড্র করছিস বিকজ তো আঁকার জিনিস ছিল না, তুই আমাদের মুখ ব্যাগে এঁকে দিছিস, এটা তুই আজ এরকম করে
তুই জানোস আমার মা এগুলা দেখে, আমার মা বলছে আমার মার মুখ আঁকতে, সো পিপল আমাকে, আই গট রিকোয়েস্টস, ওকে, আমি ওগুলা বাদ দিয়ে তোদেরকে আঁকছি, চিন্তা করে দেখ।
আচ্ছা, তো আমাদের একটা পেট্রিয়ন টিয়ার থাকবে, যে কেউ যদি লাইক $10 a month কন্ট্রিবিউট করে, তাহলে ইসমাম ওদের ছবি এঁকে দিবে।
Yeah, sure, why not? Like I actually enjoyed doing that. If you guys actually want it, like legitimately, like leave a comment. We'll actually look about doing that, and actually $10 now, like I can do it for free for the first few people. Wow. Yeah, like it's fun.
Pro bono work right there. That's incredible commitment from HB.
Yeah, like if you guys like us enough, like if the guys like us enough to be watching A Point Podronto, if you want a picture of yourself, like I would be flattered if you would want me to draw yours. So like sure, just leave a comment, I'll draw you. Give me like a picture or something, I'll draw it. It's not that bad. And also like আমি এটা আরেকটা জিনিসের জন্য এটা bring up করছিলাম, it's যে when something seems hard, make it as easy as possible. Like honestly, like that was the easiest way I could draw, like because আমি আঁকতে পারি না, so I just drew a picture of that already existed, right? আমি এটার উপর দিয়ে আঁকছি, আমি ফার্স্ট ট্রাই করতেছিলাম যে আচ্ছা না ওইটা দূরে থাকুক and আমি আঁকি, বাট হয় নাই, and then আমি লিটারালি পিকচারটা ওয়ান নোটে নিয়ে আসছি and ওয়ান নোটের উপরে আঁকছি। Some people might not call that like drawing, but I mean it got me started, and I missed one day. But with Arjuna, I drew a picture that was symbolic. I don't know if anyone noticed it. It was like a 28 surrounded by, I forgot what it was, but it was like the title was Acceptance Around Failure. So it's like the day that I actually did it was in closing the day that I missed. So yeah, like ওইটাও কিন্তু অনেক low effort একটা drawing ছিল, but it just had a lot of thought in it. And so যেদিন আমার আঁকতে ইচ্ছা করতো না, I just do that. Like I just make something that's nice, like just whatever I was feeling at that point, I just put it out and made it into a drawing. And yeah, like I'll try and see if I can do it, but I'll make a detailed breakdown of my top 10 pictures, or maybe all of them if that doesn't take too long. And you guys can watch that. Like a episode, I don't know when it's going to be released because Fardim আমাদের photo editing god, আমি video editing god, আমি video editing এর একটু জানি না, plus এখন we're on the dopamine detox, so I can't be watching YouTube, and I will stick to that because I don't want to go into YouTube. I know it's gonna trigger me bad জিনিসপত্র দিক দিয়ে. So yeah, but I'll get it out. I really enjoyed the art challenge actually, so I'll get that out for you guys. If you also leave a comment here if you want to see that as well. I would enjoy doing that, so I'll do that anyways, I guess. So I guess comment রেখে লাভ নাই, it's gonna come your way anyways.
All right. Ishmael's going to force feed you some art content in about a month. All good. Regardless, some key takeaways from what Ishmael said I like is that whenever you're starting something, don't focus on perfection and don't try to be the best as soon as you get into it. There is some foundational learning that you have to do into time lage. Just be prepared for that. Second key takeaway, I think, amar kaje onek lagbe is ঘুম আসলে you're a better football player. So next time when I get on the pitch, definitely a sleeping pill খেয়ে নামবো. Thank you, Ishmael, for the advice.
There's a bit more to that story. So জানতে চাইলে
we'll get into that
DM
at
us
some
on
point.
Idea Khichdi
For the deets, right? Fardim, I just want to ask you to get your perspective on this. What were you struggling with in terms of getting the art out? What was holding you back from making it a consistent habit?
যে আমার ইন্টারনেট আজকে পুরো ট্র্যাশ, if I get cut off in the
Hey guys, sorry about that technical difficulty. Fardimer current চলে গেছে, so we're not gonna have Fardim for this bit of the year. Sorry for all you Fardim fans. But yeah, so Adib, what do you think were the reasons why you weren't able to complete this challenge or get the benefits you wished you did?
সত্যি কথা বলতে গেলে বেনিফিটস আমার জন্য আমি জাস্ট আঁকতে চাচ্ছিলাম। আমি ওরকম কোনো কনস্ট্রেন্ট রাখিনি অন কি আঁকতে চাই। সো আমি যদি আজকে একটা সুন্দর লোগো দেখছি এরকম করে আমি জাস্ট এঁকে দিচ্ছি। একদিন আই জাস্ট ড্রু আ cigarette related to a movie I had watched. এরকম করে আমার sort of চ্যালেঞ্জটা গেছে। বাট এই sort of flexible নেচারটার কারণে যেটা হয়েছে যে মেবি এভরিডে আমি ওরকম আহামরি কুল কিছু দেখতেছি না, অথবা ব্যস্ততার কারণে আমার চোখে পড়তেছে না কিছু। ওই ক্ষেত্রে যেটা হতো সেটা হয় যে আমার আঁকতে মন চায় না, আমার কিছু আঁকায় ছিল না। তখন মানে আজাইরা জিনিস এঁকে মনে হইতো যে আমি কেন মানে খালি ট্রাইও করবো কেন। প্লাস এটা ফারদিন কিছুক্ষণ আগে আই ডোন্ট নো ওই পয়েন্টে কেটে গেছে নাকি, বাট ও বলতেছিল যে একটা স্ট্রাগল থাকে যে মানে কোনো গোল না থাকার কারণে, কোনো অবজেক্টিভ না থাকার কারণে, যে আমরা আর্ট চ্যালেঞ্জের মাধ্যমে কি জিনিসটা ফল নিতে চাচ্ছি, what are we trying to get out of it, right? It was sort of এটা আমার জন্য একটা প্রবলেম হয়ে দাঁড়িয়েছে বিকজ ওই গোল ছাড়া কিছু করার ছিল না। বাট আমি অনেস্টলি আমি মাত্র মনে 10টা ড্রয়িং করছি, বাট যা করছি I'm happy with for now, because those are the things I actually wanted to draw, and I'm okay with that. But the challenge overall was a failure because of the abysmal hit rate. Hoping to improve that in the dopamine detox. আপনারা যদি হয়তো আপনারা দেখতেছেন হয়তো dopamine detox এর check-in গুলা Instagram-এ, and ওইগুলো দেখতে থাকেন। But just a question for you, Ishmael. You had an incredible, অনেক একটা ভালো consistency ছিল যেখানে তুমি 30 দিনের মধ্যে মনে 29 দিনে ড্র করছিলা, and এক পর্যায়ে যে একটা এক্সট্রা ড্রয়িংও করে ফেলছিলা। You really got into a process. How did you get yourself to get to that stage where you were down to draw every day, and what were some of the struggles that you faced?
So I think one thing that helped was I was doing it like at a certain time. I think at a meditation, like Sam Harris and Dora Shawai Bole, do it at one time every day. So it wasn't something that I imposed upon it. It just happened, which is the best way of the things like working themselves out. Because নিজের থেকে করতে হলে you have to do willpower and shit. But it kind of লাগে নাই. It was just that the only time I had was after work. So it was just after work, I just do it. And দেখে কাজ থেকে এসে I would just sit and then I'll be like, acha, I won't do anything before I get my drawing out. So just কাজ থেকে এসে I'd open up my laptop, get a drawing out, and so that helped. The other thing I mentioned that was just যখন ফার্স্টে করব, I struggle with perfectionism that I guess I didn't let it hinder me এই time. Um, and perfectionism-এর জন্য যেটা আমি বলতেছিলাম আগেই, যে when you're doing something new, when you're learning a new skill, you're not going to be great at it. And Adib একটা জিনিস বলছে that I definitely think is true, যে you have to learn a lot of things before you get good at it. But the thing is, one, people are impatient, so you want results right now. And two, um, I forgot I forgot what two was. But basically the thing is, so if you're impatient or if you're not impatient, I think learning a skill, the best way to do it is just doing it. Like you don't have to know everything before doing it. You don't have to learn all the basics, all the foundation of art. You don't need a 4 years art degree. Sorry for all my arts friends, but you don't need a 4 years art degree just to draw a picture. And I think they would agree too, right? Like to master it, definitely you need to work at it like day in day out, learn all the basics. But just to get your feet wet, you have to just do it. Like কেউ যদি ফুটবল খেলতে চায় and সারাদিন, I know I'm bringing a lot of football, আমার মাথায় ফুটবল, sorry about that. But if কেউ একজন ফুটবল শিখতে চায়, you're not going to say go watch 10 hours of football matches and then go learn how to like do certain maneuvers and only then go to the field. You'll be like chol আজকেই যাই খেলি, right? Like, so why do it any different for anything else? Like I think এটা আমার coding এ like আসে, maths এও আসে. Like if you're struggling with something, just do it. You're gonna do it bad, but just be like, the bad is you. The bad is where you are at right now. That is exactly who you are. Don't be afraid of looking yourself in the mirror, right? Just
Yeah,
like look at yourself.
অনেক confronting একটা thought when you just look at something you produce and feel like it's crap. But
Yeah.
that's how it is. I don't
had
mean to
I had
preach, but most of the majority of the জিনিস শিখতে গেলে এরকমই হয়. You just have to do it, reiterate, learn from what you did, and just try to not to make the mistake again. The biggest failure is this is very cheesy. This is very cheesy. But আমি প্রত্যেকবার পড়ি এটা একজন একজন লেখে আর আমার অনেক মজা লাগে. But it's super cheesy. It's the failure isn't when you make the mistake. It's not learning from the mistake. So try to learn from whatever you mess up in life, whether that be in relationships or not, whether that be in bad performance at work or anything in your life. Just have a laid back attitude. Take a step back and see what's actually happening, because
I have another cheesy line.
Yeah, go ahead.
I have another cheesy one to add to your cheesiness. Let's make this the cheesy section.
The Jesus episode.
Yes.
Shout out to shout out to who does Jesus. Jesus is a burger, right?
Jesus is actually my cousin's
pizza.
store. It's actually my cousin's store. Shout out to Labib Bhaiya. Although আমার সাথে কথা বলতেছ না recently. No shade. He's a really amazing guy. Always help করে. I've had great conversations with him. He's a busy guy. So yeah, the cheesy quote is the person who thinks they can do it and the person who thinks they can't, both are usually right. So very cheesy, but very true. I know it's I know it's cringy, but it's just like, মানে তুমি যদি কখনো না করতে চাও তুমি করবাই না. Like, it's like you have to be okay with failing and just doing it. And আমি আরেকটা জিনিস just বলতে গেছিলাম, just reiterating from the just own it, right? Like you're gonna be like, imagine looking back on something that you've achieved over the year. Like it might be your grades or whatever. Like when you see improvement, right? Like when you see I started here and I came here, it always feels great. So like যখন first day you're not being able to achieve something, just think about this. In the future, when you look back at this, you might cringe at it, you might do whatever, but looking back at this, you can see the whole progress. And আমাকে আরেকজন একটা জিনিস বলছিল, it doesn't work for me, but maybe it'll work for you guys. Think of yourself as like you're in a movie and the movie just started and you're in that phase where you're struggling with everything and everything's against you. And এখান থেকে, to the end of the movie, you're gonna like improve a lot. And this is the montage scene where you're gonna just grind it out and you're gonna make it better, and then by the end of it, you'll be a better man. So, or a woman, or a person, whatever.
Yeah.
So yeah.
On that note, to be honest, I'm that's all I have for this for the art challenge. Ishmael, if you have some finishing thoughts.
I think I've said a lot. I can't add more cheese. I like finishing with cheese, but যেহেতু আর কোনো cheese পাইতেছি না, I think we're just gonna cut it off here. I think usually Fardim.
আজকে আমরা double cheesy burger দিছি আজকে. That shit was extra cheesy. I swear to you.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, Fardim nice. So yeah.
Yeah. We could have been a triple cheeseburger, but হইল না.
I would have actually had that. If anyone tells that, I'm in for that. 100% triple cheeseburger.
Bro, that's how I make my burgers all the time. If you don't have triple cheese, what are you doing?
Oof. I'm not doing much.
Acha, let's not keep everyone in our cheesy burger conversation. So yeah, guys, subscribe, like, follow us on Instagram. Adib can go. This is Adib's thing. I'm stealing it, but yeah, Adib ja. I don't want to steal it. Kalke churi korbo.
Islam's already gone on with like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to share it, because if you've liked it, maybe some of your friends liked it too. That's how it keeps us growing. To hear what we're on about, what we're doing every day, Instagram it, log in. We've got Dopamine Detox check-ins. We come in with you every day to tell you what we've been doing, what we've not been doing actually, Ibad. And Facebook, stories gulo dekhben, post korben, and keep commenting. We love hearing what you have to say and making this show better for you guys. So yeah, stay safe and keep cooking.
Missing someone with all your heart. Missing someone with heart. How much you missing, and you deserve. And you did it right from the start.